So out of the paint shop into the build room. She looks fantastic. So you'll notice we've started putting in the new wiring loom. In fact, we've been jumping quite far ahead, but we'll let you know what we've done as we go. So you'll notice the gearbox is back in as well, wiring loom. But then when we come to the front, look at this. So this engine has been completely rebuilt. Every last nut and bolt, new pistons, rings, everything. And she's sat in there, quite the thing. Now the space frame, obviously you'll notice in the last video the space frame wasn't on when we painted it. That's because all the space frame is painted separately, bolted up and then assembled. All new manifolds, alternator, and this is just the start. Now as we go, attention to detail is key. You'll notice things like the bottle. Looks amazing. Inside has been painted red, even though you'll never see it. Tape on the edges for building, and we've started putting on all the little catches as we go. So on the bulkhead, we've already started stripping down all your accelerator linkages, completely cleaned, painted, clear coated, new split pins, new bolts. Starting to take shape very, very quickly. Now at this stage, what we tend to do is leave the interior completely empty, and the first thing we do is the headlining, and there'll be a video on that as well, just to show you exactly what we do. So engine and box are in, new wiring loom, and we'll start bit by bit taking things, for instance your wiper motor, the arms, things like that, stripping, cleaning, painting, clear coating, putting them all back together again, and then assembling on the car. All the bolts that we used, so down here you'll notice they've got, all these will be coming out, and all brand new bolts will be put in there. Everything is immaculate, just as you would expect. But at this stage, she's really starting to take shape. The extra time and effort on the paintwork, it really does pay off. Looks superb. A lot of work ahead, but enjoyable work, because you really do see the fruits of your labour when this thing starts to take shape day by day by day. So as you're watching this, we're probably around about a month to 2 months ahead already, and obviously we'll just be adding the videos week in, week out, just to keep you updated. So if you like these videos and you're liking what we've done so far, please like and subscribe. It keeps us going. Know that there's fellow enthusiasts out there, and if you have got any comments or there's something that you want to see, just leave us a comment down below, and we'll definitely try and get back to you as soon as we possibly can. So here we are, Series 2, 2+2, taking shape.